Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2015 Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.